Hi, this is Nancy with GiftsHQ. It's that time of the year to spread positivity and joy to everyone. So, it's giveaway time! So stick around to the very end to get all the details. I started this channel so I can help bring more smiles to people out there that share the love of making things by hand as I do. Creating a friendly, safe platform so we can all share crafting tips and learn new things from each other. So with that, I would like to announce our very first annual giveaway via our handmade-only Holiday Outstanding Home Originals Collab. Whew. Yeah, that's too long. Okay, let's just call it Ho 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 Collab for short. That's much better. This will be our first giveaway, so we're going to be starting off small and see how things go. So our first giveaway will be a $25 gift card. This will be issued to one winner who has qualified and is randomly selected. Now, all the details to qualify and the official rules are in the description below. So once you qualify, all you have to do is upload a video of your favorite handcraft holiday original, but don't forget the hashtag and tag me in the video title. Now, a handcraft holiday original can be any holiday themed category like food, crafting, sewing, or decor. Some examples include baking gingerbread man cookies for Santa, or crafting your favorite Christmas ornament, or maybe sewing your very own Santa sack. That sounds familiar. You can also show your handmade Christmas decor. But more importantly, they must be handmade items by you. So, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and have the bell icon turned on so you can be notified of any future announcements. Post a non-offensive comment to the video below, and upload a video of your favorite handcraft holiday original with the hashtag HoHoHoCollab and tag me at GiftsHQ in the video title. Each video is one entry, and you can enter as many as you'd like until the end of this giveaway. This giveaway starts on Monday, December 13th and ends on December 23rd, 2021. So you have 10 days to get all your entries in. The winner will be announced on December 23rd at 12:01 Eastern Standard Time in the description of the video. So, check back to see if you're a winner because you only have 1 week to claim your prize. So remember, subscribe and have the bell icon turned on, post a non-offensive comment to the video below, and upload a video of your favorite holiday food, craft, decor, or handcrafted by you with the hashtag and tag me in the video title. If you have any questions or you'd like an optional thumbnail to use on your giveaway, please join our Facebook group. The link is also in the description below. That's it. It's that easy. Let's share and inspire this holiday season. Have some fun with this and join me by spreading some smiles using your holiday favorites. Good luck to everyone and happy holidays. Hope to be crafting with you soon. Bye.